Oh, this friggin' Colorado wind, man. Once it starts, very rarely does it stop. Jeez. Good day. And it's cold. Never can tell what you're gonna get from day to day in this state. Never can tell. Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Yes, sir! Oh, no skunk today. No skunk today. Hello, Senor Largemouth. That's how we do it. Really starting to move up, I guess. Fish are on the move. Nice healthy little largemouth. Feeding up on those craws. Feeding up on those craws. Alright, buddy. She gone. Cool beans. See if we can dig up another one. Fish. Yes. Man, didn't even feel that bite. Sucked it up. There we go. Yes, sir. Number 2 of the day. Let's go. Stacking up the little guys today. Stacking up the little guys today. We'll take them to be lures, bladed jigs. Always doing work. Always doing work. First cast over here, well, yeah, that's a good sign. If there's any bigger fish hanging out over here, probably all getting blown into this cove by this crazy wind right now. missed. Man, they're all over up in here. Give this other guy side a quick walk and we'll get up out of here. Oh, another one. Number 3 on the day. Numero trace. Number 3. On these bladed jigs. Number 3 on these bladed jigs. Up. Adios. Wow. Had a productive little morning of little fish here. That would be number 3 of the day. We added them up, we might have a 3-pounder.